Okay, so now I have connected the power. मैं पावर कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि ओके So यहाँ voltage आ चुका है. I don't know, maybe it is because light. I do not see proper voltage here. Let's check by multimeter. Alright, not proper voltage. No voltage coming. Okay, let's use different port. This time why no voltage? यहाँ तो लाइट चल रहा है इंडिकेटर. What is happening? Is it okay? Oops. क्या हो गया? My multimeter is not getting voltage. Let's check this source. Previous source. 230. So this has power. So why not here? That's the question. Let's try again. No voltage. Very strange. This one I'm taking directly from inside it. Okay, let's open this one. I have another problem with my cord. I have to open it. একটা জিনিস রিপেয়ার করতে এসে আর একটা জিনিসের রিপেয়ার করা হচ্ছে এখানে. Still tight. Okay. Now we have why it is that this is right phase, this is red also connected here, white is connected there. I do not see any problem. SH right connected properly. This one not required. Let's just tighten it a little bit. It's already tight. First open one side and then try maybe something with this. Okay, now I use power. 30 volt. Why it is 30 volt? I cannot get it. It's 230 volt line. This is my multimeter, okay. Of course, okay. Volt. I don't understand. Is this cable? Of course, this needs 230 volt to turn on. How come it's 30 volt? Okay, one more experiment. Let's disconnect the whole thing. This the wire. Maybe this is old enough. Fully we disconnect this. We don't use the old cable. This one remove completely. Discard this. अभी हम देखेंगे कि इसमें प्रॉपर वोल्टेज आता है कि नहीं. Okay. $30 volt. This is really terrible. That's 30 volt. That means this cable is wrong. This cable is somewhere. There is a problem with this cable. You cannot use it. Let's confirm one more time. We check the source voltage from the extension board. IC voltage. $230 volt. Perfect. So our cable is faulty. This guy, we thought maybe inside there will be fuse and that is blown, and because of that it's not powering on. So you see, we found this extension cord. The cable is a nice cable, solid heavy cable we were using, and it came out faulty, this whole cable. Okay, we have to replace this one, not this one. We don't have anything faulty inside it, I guess, until now. We will fix this, replace this cable, and then power on this one, and we'll see. এটা আমরা রিপ্লেস করার পরে মডিউলটা আবার পাওয়ার অন করে দেখব এটা হচ্ছে কিনা। সম্ভবত এই কেবলটা ঠিক না বলে এটা পাওয়ার অন হচ্ছিল না, যেটা আমরা ভুল মনে করেছিলাম। আমরা মনে করেছিলাম এর মধ্যে ফিউজ আছে, যেটা ফিউজটা নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে, যার কারণে অন হচ্ছে না। तो हम अभी ये केबल रिप्लेस करेंगे। ये केबल गलत निकला, ये फॉल्टी निकला। इट्स गिविंग 30 वोल्ट एट आउटपुट टर्मिनल, जो कि ठीक नहीं है इसको ऑन करने के लिए। इसमें ट्रांसफार्मर है जो 230 को कन्वर्ट कर रहा है, तो हम ये केबल को चेंज करेंगे। उसके बाद ये मॉड्यूल दोबारा ऑन करके देखेंगे कि ये ऑन होता है कि नहीं। अगर इसके बावजूद, ये ठीक होने के बावजूद भी ये ऑन नहीं होता, तो फिर इसमें फॉल्टी हम देखेंगे क्या फॉल्टी है।